Hey guys, so Teen Wolf is over season 2, and I just wanted to talk about if any of the Arjans, like Allison or Chris, noticed Peter, cause I've been wondering that, cause no one really said anything after Jackson died except for Lydia, and now Jackson's a werewolf. Yay. I really think his eyes are pretty though. They used to be like Derek's eyes, but then Derek's eyes became red. So technically, yeah. I just wanted to talk about Teen Wolf, and hopefully next season will be okay, and no fighting between the alphas and Derek's pack. So yeah, and hopefully Gerard's dead. I want him to die. And I don't really like Allison. I like Crystal, but not Allison. I like her. I don't like her character. So technically, yeah. And all I'm doing now is waiting for seasons 2 disc to release, because I already have season 1. Now I just need season 2. Then I'll be all good. And then I'll just watch that every Monday. One episode every Monday. So it could feel like I'm watching Teen Wolf again. So I don't be lonely. But I can't watch it during freaking school days, because it's so stupid. So technically, yeah, just wanted to talk about Teen Wolf, so hopefully just leave your comments about what you want my other videos to be about. I could do nails, hair, makeup, yeah, drawing. No dancing or singing. No, never. Horrible at singing, but just shy at dancing. So yeah, that's technically all I wanted to talk about. So bye. Leave your comments about Teen Wolf Season 2 and what you hated about it or liked it. So thanks, bye.